Going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have 3 upgrades for this episode. We are installing a 4-gang switch panel, LED hood lights, which we'll just wrap around the hood so I have the hood up, and then some bed lights. Which should go all the way around. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna wire this, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright, so as you guys can see, I grabbed my 16 wire. I crimped it on there and then heat shrinked. I burned it a little because I'm using a torch. I don't have the heat gun. And I'm just going to cut it to my length and then wire that to that wire. And then I'm going to do the same thing, probably with a different color. I'm not sure what color. I have to find a different color, but that's the process so far. Okay, guys, we just got this wired up, hooked up. Not hooked up, but wired through this thing. Wired just through there. And I'm thinking about putting it either in that corner, up in the middle, in that corner, but I gotta either build a bracket. And we still gotta wire up these, but I'm not really sure how to wire them up. I think we're gonna do connectors, and I don't wanna really burn anything, so. Yep, we still got the black wire, those 2 to wire up, and that's about it. So I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, we're gonna have to take a pause on this, but right here, there's these connectors with a crimp in the middle, and right now I don't have the crimp, so I'm gonna let you get, I'm gonna come back to this project tomorrow after I get the tools. It's already about 7:45, so I'll let you guys know how the project's going when I get the tools. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Second day now. We do have it all wired up. Right there, we got the connections wired down and up through there. You can't see, it's pretty dark out, pretty late. But right now, we have it wired. Sorry guys, the video cut out, but right now we have them wired. Power to the battery, and then the negative was on the battery, but I realized it would just drain my battery. So now we have to wire it to the key switch, or power to when the key is on, so then it doesn't drain my battery, it only turns on when the key is on. So all right, I'll let you guys know about tomorrow. We're gonna work on that tomorrow, so thank you guys for staying with us. I'll let you guys know about the next update. See ya. As you can see, guys, she was blown right through. So, bought these hangers. This hanger surprisingly fits. And then these, about these clamps, sit right there. Bought one for each side and I'm putting it on now, so. Alright guys, So we got the mounted up, and all we had to do was just put some wire on. Just connected that for now. Probably gonna have to put a tailpipe on. Go over the diff. Maybe do a side bed exit, but there's the old one.